Hi guys, welcome here to this leak where today we're looking at ginning bags. Now, a ginning bag is a bag that we use inside a still, specifically an Olympic style still, in order to utilize botanicals within the still. Now, when you look at the way we make gin, and if you've ever done a W4 gin botanicals course or infused spirits course, you would know the processes and all the different ways to make gin. But quick and dirty, you get direct infusion, infused distillation, and vapor infusion. That's the three ways that we can add flavor into a gin. Now, the difference between them comes that direct infusion is just a maceration process. So take the alcohol, let the botanicals lie in the alcohol, and that pulls out flavor and aroma and taste. Doesn't work well for all botanicals, so not always the right answer. If we look at infused distillation, then we put the botanicals inside the boiler, inside the alcohol, normally for about 24 hours beforehand to pull out some flavor and aroma, and then we distill it out through the vapor path and into our distillate. Again, doesn't always work well for all botanicals, and the added problem is in a still like this, because it's got direct heating where the heat comes directly from the bottom on a gas burner or an electric plate, not advised, but it can be done. It can happen that the botanicals will burn to the bottom, and that obviously will spoil the entire batch. You'll get that burnt flavor and so forth. You can't utilize the process that comes or the product that comes out the other side. So the answer becomes to do vapor infusion, where you use a ginning bag to suspend the botanicals in the vapor path. Now, we have two types of ginning bags here this leak. The one is just a standard cheesecloth or muslin cloth bag. So we take the ginning head off, we put our alcohol inside the boiler, you take your gin bag, put it over the top, like so. There we go. We put our botanicals inside here, we mount the vapor chamber again, and we attach it. And et voila, you'll obviously seal it on the side here with stretch seal tape again, but you can just distill through it, and the steam and vapors, the alcohol vapors, will pull out all the flavor and aroma from those botanicals. Another way to do it is with the steel ring gin bag, which has a collapsible steel ring along the top. So you put your botanicals inside, you insert this into the ginning head, the steel ring keeps it suspended, and there you go. That works better with the newer Olympic stills. Something interesting that's actually happened is that our supplier has increased the quality of their workmanship. So it's a tighter fit. You still need to use the stretch and seal tape, but it is a tighter fit. And that sometimes makes it a problem with the old way of doing it, with the old gin bags, where the fit is so tight, the vapor chamber is a little bit wonky, doesn't want to fit as well. Hence, we created the ring type, which is suspended in the top. No mess, no fuss, no problem. So that is the ginning bags, which we use for vapor infusion when we make gin.